We don't all drive a big truck, but sometimes the little rides need extra space for bikes, coolers, or whatever. That's why CURT has adapted their Class 3 trailer hitch for the Subaru Crosstrek. This is a Class 3 hitch, meaning it's rated for 3,500 pounds of gross trailer weight and 525 pounds at the tongue. This newly designed hitch from CURT is perfect for pulling a small trailer, campers, or even a bike rack. Just like all CURT products, you can expect high quality. It's been safety tested in accordance with SAE J684 to ensure that what you're pulling stays in place. The hitch has a rust-resistant liquid A-coat both inside and out. This helps protect it from water, rain, mud, and even more. And just look at this hitch. The high-gloss powder coat is absolutely beautiful. The 2-inch receiver is a standard size and will work with any 2-inch ball mounts, steps, or other accessories from CURT. They've made the receiver open in the back for easy cleaning and to help remove any mud or debris that might get stuck. So get in, hook up, and hit the road with this hitch receiver from CURT. If you want to know more about the CURT Class 3 trailer hitch for the Subaru Crosstrek or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.